Let's keep on looking for the light. Oh, can't you see the morning after? It's waiting right outside the store.
Brought to you by Supercut. Oh, I forgot to put this on. Alright, yeah, striking the right kind of a balance here. Pretty hard, if you ask me. We're going to work on the sneezes. Well, here's the thing with the sneeze, okay? I will explain it to you. I forgot to explain it to you. I don't know if you went to bed or anything. It's probably, who knows the time zone in your area. But, I don't know, one time I often do a lot of these YouTube videos, and I just named it Summer Sneeze. And yeah, I named the video Summer Sneeze. I'll have to go look at what was on that video. But I noticed, like, 'cause sometimes I'll go to my YouTube page and I'll see like what videos gets the most hits, and that got a lot of hits. Like, I mean, I was like, what was the relevancy of this video getting all these hits? It's like 179, and I'm like, you know, it was like a month after, and that's usually like a weird. I mean, for one video, and especially the content on it, I kept on looking at it. I go, well, anyway, here we are, the morning after. There's Motley Crue cleaning up. Alright, Twinkles, how we doing here today? I heard you're a big Pittsburgh Steelers fans. Are they still in the playoffs?
I don't know, me.
Me either. I can tell you who's in the NFC. I know we're going to Seattle. Or no, they're coming to us. Trying to get that sneeze. Alright, back to the story. I always forget. I know. Well, the thing was, I think I sneezed on that video, Summer Sneeze. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at it again, but I know that for the first time on a video I sneezed. I go, wow, that's a first. And then it happened 1 week later. I was doing a video and I sneezed. And one I faked. One I just went, achoo, you know, so I consider that 3. But 2 were real, and 1 was a fake sneeze. But, so that's where I stand today. I have 2 real sneezes on YouTube, and just 1 fake. But, trying to get it going, because, I mean, like I was telling everyone last night, it stopped. It was just itching my nose, and it was like running, and I was sneezing. Now I'm kind of disappointed. Because you know, I could have broke that record, but I don't know. It's hard to strike a balance. We're right back. We're standing by. Could be breaking news. So I need you people to help me. I need the energy. Sunset, help me sneeze, please. All right, maybe on the next video. We'll be right back.